Tired of using toxic cleaning products? Today we're diving into the world of do-it-yourself low-tox cleaning hacks. These aren't just easy on your pockets, they're also a boon for your health and our beautiful planet. We'll be exploring 3 mind-blowing hacks that use everyday items you likely have in your pantry right now. So, buckle up as we venture into the realm of vinegar and baking soda cleaners, lemon and salt scrubs, and essential oil fresheners. Get ready to transform your cleaning routine. First up, the all-purpose vinegar and baking soda cleaner. This eco-friendly solution requires only 2 ingredients: household vinegar and baking soda. Combine 1 part vinegar to 2 parts baking soda to create a powerful yet non-toxic cleaner. This cost-effective mixture works wonders on a variety of surfaces, from kitchen counters to bathroom tiles. It's a testament to simplicity, proving that we don't need harsh chemicals to maintain a sparkling clean home. Now that's a clean sweep. Next, we have the refreshing lemon and salt scrub. To make this, you'll need just 2 ingredients, a lemon and some salt. Simply cut the lemon in half, sprinkle salt on it, and scrub away. This scrub is fantastic because it's made from all natural components, making it safe for both you and the environment. Plus, it's incredibly efficient at removing stubborn stains. And the best part? It leaves behind a pleasant citrus aroma. That's how you add a zesty twist to your cleaning. Finally, the aromatic essential oil freshener. This nifty hack requires just water and your favorite essential oils. To create this freshener, simply blend a few drops of essential oil into a cup of water. The beauty of this hack is its simplicity and adaptability. You can customize the scent according to your preference. This non-chemical, eco-friendly freshener not only leaves your space smelling divine, but also enhances your mood. Use it in your living room, car, or office, and that's a breath of fresh air. So, who said cleaning has to be toxic? Today, we've journeyed through 3 DIY low-tox cleaning hacks. We've seen the fizzing magic of vinegar and baking soda cleaner, felt the abrasive power of lemon and salt scrub, and inhaled the refreshing scent of an essential oil freshener. These simple, effective hacks not only keep our homes spotless, but also safeguard our health and protect the environment. Let's embrace these green alternatives and make a difference. Remember, a clean home is a happy home. Stay safe, stay green.